I'm Hugh Hertsey, I'm the consultant psychiatrist with the STEP service. This is an eating disorder service which covers the area of Avon, and we provide specialist eating disorder services for adults. Angie's a really good candidate for a Lifetime Achievement Award. She's worked as I think she trained as a mental health nurse in her teens. That was at the big old psychiatric asylum in Wells, the Mendip Asylum, and really she's been involved in mental health work ever since then.
Angie started the service because there wasn't broad enough provision of services for people with eating disorders prior to the late 90s, and she started the work then. She had a vision of how the service would be and how people affected by eating disorders could be treated and looked after and cared for in a way that services just weren't able to fully manage at that time. She had a vision and she was able to work with that and see that through.
I've worked with Angie for about 4 years, and I think she's pretty awesome because she's very inspiring. She's an absolute expert in what she does. The best piece of advice I will take forward from her is that when we have particularly difficult discussions in team meetings, she will always say, what is your gut instinct? What's your gut telling you about this situation? And that's really nice because there's so much we do with policies and procedures, and to know that she values what we're saying and our kind of instinct really is really empowering. And I will forever kind of take that forward as a really brilliant piece of advice. And she has an awesome wardrobe. She always looks great.
Angie's recently retired as the manager of service and is moving on to take on a development role, and she deserves to win this award just because she's just put in an immense amount of work over the years. She's loved this service and nurtured it. She's looked after the team, she's brought different people in, she's faced challenges along the way, and you know she's put her heart and soul really into her work here running this team, and she's done it with humour and fun.
She's entertaining. At times she likes to be the centre of attention, which I'm sure she would readily admit. The only real downside is she has this terrible affliction of supporting Manchester United.
I've worked with Angie for over 10 years now. She's been an amazing manager, quite unique. She's very friendly and approachable. She's the kind of person you can go to, talk about anything, both on a professional and a personal level. I've really enjoyed working with her. She's very deserving of this award, and I'm very sad to see her go, but pleased that she's still with the team 1 day a week, so we can still keep our contacts together.
Not only has she built together a team and a whole service, she's also affected the lives of many people through the work that goes on in the STEP service. I think it's very fair to say that a number of people are alive that wouldn't be if the service hadn't existed, and the quality of lives have improved significantly as a result as well.
I've greatly missed her. She's just retired. There's a bit of an Angie-shaped hole around here in all areas of the service, and I think she's going to be fantastically fondly remembered in our hearts and in the hearts and minds of lots and lots of people who've suffered from eating disorders and their families who she's helped with a real sort of personal touch over the years. She's a fantastic candidate to be rewarded with a Lifetime Achievement Award.